a Cheshire cat? Well, that depends on where you want to get to. Then it really doesn't matter which way you go. Oh, by the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way. The white rabbit. He did what? Who did? What rabbit? Can you stand on your head? However, if I were looking for a white rabbit, I'd ask the Mad Hatter. Oh, you can't help that. Most everyone's mad here. You may have noticed that I'm not all there myself. And the moras out of breath. Did you expect the white rabbit, perchance? That's because you have no way. Always here, you see, are the Queen's way. You haven't. You haven't. Oh, but you must. She'll be mad about you. Simply mad. And the warmers out. Well, some go this way. Some go that way. But as for me, myself, personally, I prefer the short